Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to set up more advanced options for your custom backup plan in GitProtect.io. To edit a backup plan, go to the Plans tab and click on the pencil button for the one you want to modify. Let's start with the advanced options in the scheduler of your backup. And the first thing is to set up a backup window. There you can choose when you want the backup process to be performed and when you don't want to perform it. When you set up the backup window, click Apply. To optimize the performance of the backup process, you can set up either how many backup tasks are performed at once. In this context, a backup task is a backup of a single repository. You can also set up Start Delay. This option will allow you to set up after what time the last backup process will start, and other tasks will begin at the fixed time interval. Don't suspend while performing a backup option lets you decide whether you can hibernate your device when the backup process is running. And the next thing there are retention settings, which we gone through in the last tutorial. Now that we have set up advanced preference in the scheduler, let's click on the cogwheel on the top. This will take you to the advanced backup plan option. Here you can set up, among other things, encryption. GitProtect.io will allow you to encrypt your data with the AES algorithm and set up your own encryption key. Now the compression settings. There are two algorithms available for you to use. LZ4, which is a standard compression algorithm, and Z-standard, which is a compression algorithm with a higher compression ratio. Then you can choose the compression level of your backups. Remember that the higher compression, the more resources it will require, but it will allow you to store more backups with the same storage. Another important thing in the advanced settings is error handling. Here you can decide what to do when an error occurs during the backup process. You can choose to run backups that are overdue, or you can choose to repeat backups if failed, and set up how many attempts and at what time interval to perform them. Here you can choose whether to use VSS while taking snapshots, and whether you want to continue backup after VSS error. In advanced settings you can also invoke backup scripts, pre-backup scripts, post-snapshot scripts, and post-backup scripts. The next thing there is the bandwidth limit. Here you can limit the network usage for GitProtect.io. At last, you can add additional Git credentials to speed up the backup process by sharing tasks between many credentials. Click Save, and those are the advanced backup plan settings available for your customization in GitProtect.io.